Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing off the new Tirant Razor M Micro, which is a titanium utility knife and mini pry bar combo from Exceed Designs. If you're looking for an incredibly compact utility knife to add to your everyday carry, this is an excellent option to consider. Before we get started, be sure to hit the like button if you enjoy my videos and want to see more content like this, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. The utility knife comes inside of a nice little protective case, and it comes with a pack of 10 extra utility blades. The Tirant Razor M Micro is incredibly lightweight and strong, and is CNC milled from a solid block of 6AI4V titanium and is built to last a lifetime. This is the Stonewashed version, but you can also pick one up with the jet black finish. There's a small pry bar on the end, which has a nice thin tip on it, and a loop next to it which you can use to attach to your keys or to a lanyard. The blade feels very secure when it's closed, and the chances of it sliding open in your pocket seem very unlikely. This utility knife is compatible with most utility blades, and engaging the blade is really simple and smooth, and it can easily be done with one hand. All you need to do is hold the blade with your fingers and press down on the top of the blade and slide it upwards. Most razor blades can be moved into 2 different positions, but there are 3 different notch settings if you use a 4-notch titanium Lennox utility knife blade. The Tirant Razor M Micro feels great to handle, especially considering how small it is. There's the Exceed Designs logo on the top, which helps to give you some added grip. If you keep sliding the blade, it will pop out, and you can either flip it over and use the other side of the blade, or you can easily swap it out for a new one. While the blade is out, you can see the tri-level pressure slide mechanism with 3 true ceramic ball bearings pressed into the titanium frame. To put in a new blade, all you need to do is push down on the slide mechanism, and you can push the blade back into a lock position while pushing down on the blade. Here's a quick look at how it compares in size to the Exceed Designs Tirant Razor, which is a flipper style utility knife. If you want to learn more about this utility knife, I did a review on this one as well a few months ago, which I'll link to in the description below. Let me know what you think of the Tirant Razor M Micro in the comments, and if you want to pick one up, you can find a link in the description below, which will also help to support the channel. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.